Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install ICQ application on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store app to open. Type ICQ and hit enter. You will see all the application named ICQ. For me, I want this one, as you can see. Click on it. Click on Get. You will need usually to wait for the download and install process to be done in 30 or 40 seconds based on how fast is your computer and how fast your internet. The both process of downloading and installing are automatic and will be prompted to open the application once completed. As you can see, the process has been completed. Click on Open and you can close the Microsoft Store. The application will open and you will be prompted to log in. If it doesn't show properly, you can always go back to your search bar and you will type ICQ and just click on Open and it should open up for you. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.